YouTube, this your boy Richie back at it again another day. We are at a car meet out here in Antioch, Brentwood area, and it's hella cars here, and it's hella people here, man. You guys see, look, god damn, there's so many people here. There's so many people here. Got the whole squad, got the whole gang, you know what I'm saying? Got the homie Mike right here. Hi guys, Garage. You know we gotta always plug him in.
Follow us, follow him, like subscribe or not. I'm a certified.
Hey, you already know. You already know. Hey, all day. So right now we at the car meet. The car meet is fucking lit. Check out kitty shit. That shit's like looking so fucking good. I know. We are all over right out. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys around the whole place and show you guys how it looks. It looks so fucking good. There's so many fucking cars here, but hell yeah. Yeah, so many cars coming. We're fucking lit. There's like so many people here. There's hella cars here, y'all. My cousin brought his cap. My cousin brought his Tesla in today. It's crazy. But we are all here. There's so many cars here. A nice Mustang right here. That's it. That's dope.
That shit a whole rack though. Like you get home and boss and shit.
Bro, that's all you see here.
That's like
yeah, it's crazy.
Mustang, yeah, I know. Mustang got that first time fire, bro.
Type R.
Oh yeah,
Type R right there. That shit's sick. Damn, it's crazy. Hey, that's the new what's the Avalon? Avalon? That's the Avalon or some shit. That's it.
That's that TRD, isn't it? That's
TRD, right?
That's the TRD.
Damn, that shit go hard.
Yeah.
God damn, that shit go hard.
I just don't like the wheels don't have no shine to them.
Yeah, that shit. Yeah, at least 240. He was at the car meet last time I seen him. No, 240. 240. Yeah, I was telling him that, bro. It's hella sick. Okay. That shit's clean. I know. I told Cuz. I said your shit clean.
What is he sitting on?
I don't know. I forgot. I'm not really too. Yeah, the car is clean. It's like, oh,
I did this car club, huh?
huh?
This your homie car club?
About to buy one of these?
Yeah, I was about to buy this. I bought my 350. Oh, you the blue one?
No, your homie, the Asian dude. That's cool. This is car club.
Oh, yeah. That's dope. Oh, man. I like these wheels. Oh, that's sick. That looks dope. Shit. Yeah, everything is here, man. Oh, that shit go hard. He got a Mishimoto? A Velociter. That shit's sick. Oh, that shit's sick. Oh, shit. Yeah, sick, man.
This Camaro is fucking hard, bro.
Oh,
This Camaro is hard.
I got the wheels to match too.
Oh,
Okay.
That is.
Why you got Forest Carbon? Look at that. Forest Carbon?
White money. That's a wrap.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. That shit go hard. I like this. This is dope. Oh, the back wheels deep it? Oh, yeah, that's wet. This shit go hard. That Forest Carbon, you only see that shit on supercars.
That looks like a wrap, though. It's a wrap.
Oh, it is?
It's wrapped in.
What I mean is I built it, bro. I built this shit.
God damn. Sadia, I need you to wrap my car.
That's a wrap?
Yes. But this time the whole car.
90 minutes so far, and that's the controller. And if you turn up the controller more, the motor gets screaming ass. Hold on, bro.
That's it.
I was like, oh,
Hey, something about to keep running the car. That shit dope. Oh shit. This definitely won't hold. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's like the old. I could have fucking got it. No, it was a fucking 2017 AMG GTR. AMG GTR. This is literally my dream. I got a 4-door one now too. I want this. This 2-door? Yeah, 4-door. I got no shoes.
You got a long front like that?
No, but I just like the coupe. Yeah. Cause I like the little frame. You already know.
Maybe something more than the wings they go, the SLS.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's sick too. Yeah, that's sick.
What you talking about?
I'm about to ask you in a little bit. I'm gonna sign contracts.
He wants to get a SRT
Is that the black one?
or the Hellcat Charger.
He did say, hey, what's up, bro? Where you park at? Where you park at? Oh my God. That is him. Yeah, that is him. Yeah, that's him. Shit. Audi or... Oh my God, the Acura NSX. That is badass, bro. This is the homie's car right here. Yeah, that shit. That thing, boy. Man. Ooh. Okay. All right. Damn, man. Bro, that is so fucking sick.